An elegant chateau, located in Midi Pyrénées, France. It offers 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Set in 19.5 acres of private grounds, this fully renovated chateau offers elegant living in a peaceful rural setting. The property includes around 14 rooms, with 4 spacious bedrooms, and blends original architectural character with modern comforts including air conditioning, double glazing and high-speed internet. The interiors feature well-proportioned reception spaces and a period fireplace, while the landscape grounds include a swimming pool, gardens, and outdoor dining area. The asking price of this elegant chateau is €1,300,000. This is a rare opportunity to acquire a historic and well-maintained chateau, suitable as a main residence or holiday property. Thank you for watching.